I only want high quality people, if that makes sense. Like TSA is such a high quality environment. And this guy has a Discord. And he's like, bro, like I keep mine open. What do you think is the significant part of what's the significance of keeping it closed? I'm like, quality. And then people, like, if you guys don't know, like people have to apply to get into TSA. Like you have to fill out an application to get into TSA. So it's like, yeah. And yeah, people be toxic and they be bringing a lot of drama. And the trading industry is already hella childish as is. So it's like, for me personally, I'd rather not deal with any of that. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. The market is open right now. So let's see what happens here. My computer's low-key lagging a little bit. Let me close out a couple tabs. Oh, that's what it is. I have Zoom open. Let's close that out. Let's close messages out. What else can I close out? All right, that's it. Yo, if you guys are watching me on the stream, let me know down below in the chat if the audio's good. Let me know if the audio's good. All right, so Shopify, huge fail here. Huge. Hood ended up flipping. I didn't even catch that. That's crazy. Hood ended up giving you the 2-2 reversal here on the 4-hour time frame. Looks like IWM may end up breaking lower here. SPY kind of holding up pretty nicely here. Yeah, hood is gone. I completely missed that entry. It was way too fast. Shopify looks like it may be triggering here. We got the 3-bar on the 30-minute. So this is your entry at 118.25. That is your entry right there. IWM also may look like it wants to fill this gap. So just be a little bit patient here. Being a little bit patient here. I might actually, let me look at what Shopify cons look like real quick. So Shopify, like I said, can give you that continuation. So let's see. Oh my God, no, it's out of there. Damn, bro, I missed the entry again, bro. Bro, I gotta lock in, bro. I'm tweaking. Let me see what Shopify cons look like. Unless it wants to give me a retest. Good old retest. Shopify cons aren't bad either. Shit's blowing straight past the entry. It's actually cool because I'm gonna be patient here. I don't want to take a entry straight out at open. We taking the Q 4-hour low? No. I think I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute across the board. Fastly out of there. I missed the entry. Damn, I didn't completely forgot about Fastly too. Yeah, I think I should have been prepared. I was trying to show y'all a ladybug and all types of stuff. That's on me. That's my bad. Let me look at FSOY. Oh yeah, no, it's out of there. It's out of there. Way too fast. That's the only thing with gappers is that sometimes on gappers it's moving way too fast at open. That's literally sometimes the only thing that I've noticed. Let me see something. Okay, should be able to see it here. I think I need to switch to 8 so this can actually show up correctly. Yeah, this needs to look like this, and I need to put QQQ right here. We'll do FSLY right here, something like that. Do IWM here, IWM here. Stream is lagging. That's futures, not options. Next target for Fastly is, oof, I don't know. I actually hadn't had a chance to mark it out. That was our main target, $15. Did you end up taking it? Netflix should drop under 80. Yeah, I think we can get back to, we could pull back to about 50, 56. I sent out the levels on the long-term side inside of TSA. So you guys have the levels in there. What is this? I need to put QQQ right here. We'll put this on the 30. Okay, my charts are updated now. No, it's too fast. Okay, yeah. So IWM got bought up huge here. Super huge on that buy up right here. My computer's lagging and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute orb. Good morning, bro. You think IBD is a good company to learn stock trading? I don't think I've ever heard of IBD. But what's up? Good morning. Yo, if you guys are here on the stream, drop a good morning down below in the chat. Yeah, I've never heard of IBD. IBD. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Damn, why is it not letting me on my own stream? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Erica. Good morning, how are you? Gonna stay patient and wait for a 30-minute orb. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same. I'm not in any rush at all right now. You should go live more. Probably shouldn't. No, I'm just kidding. Good morning, Desmos. I'm just fucking with you. Just kidding. Just kidding. No, I stream with my Discord. Like yesterday, I went live with my Discord. I didn't go live on here yesterday, so y'all didn't see me. But we killed the market yesterday. Slaughtered it. Slaughtered the market. TikTok be too toxic sometimes, so I be needing my little breaks. Great. Glad I caught you in the act. No, facts. Glad to have you. Yeah. Sometimes TikTok is really toxic, and because I actually trade, and I trade with like real money on the line, sometimes it affects my mood. IWM was so nice yesterday. Yeah, it was. We got paid yesterday on IWM, Unity. What else did we have yesterday? We took Unity, IWM, and what is it? What else did we took, y'all? Hood, Robin Hood. You just trade options? Yeah. We got some members in TSA who trade futures though. Thank you, Asia. Appreciate you. How can we learn from you? TSA is currently closed, so just keep coming to these streams. You know, keep coming to the streams. Just enjoy some free game. Ask questions. That's probably one of the best way to learn. Just ask questions. But yeah, TSA is currently closed. Robinhood is out of there, y'all. Robinhood is getting absolutely obliterated. First target on Robinhood has already been hit. 76.71. Second target on Robinhood is 75. Watch 75 on Robinhood. No videos. I have videos on YouTube, so yeah, you can check it out on YouTube as well. You can watch it on YouTube too. You think Exxon is a good one? For what? Good for swinging shares. Hope it gets to 66. Yeah. No, I'm cool with Robinhood pulling back. I mean, if we can get to 66, that'll be great. That's where I want to average in. I'm gonna do probably a really bulk order on it if we get there. IWM is looking a little frisky right here. You got to be careful today. 30-minute orb on IWM is going to be best, especially for those of you guys who are watching the stream too. Basically, what the 30-minute orb is you're waiting. Actually, let me ask y'all. Drop a yes or a no down below if you're here on TikTok or YouTube or whatever. If you know what the 30-minute orb is, or if you know what an orb is, ORB. Fastly was the one for sure. Shopify might end up giving this move as well, y'all. 110.53 is the target for Shopify. 110.53. Let me know on the stream if you guys know what a orb is. Exactly. Yes, opening range breakout. So if you don't know what the orb is, right? It's when you take the high of a candle and the low of a candle and you wait for the next candle to break above or break below. So a 30-minute orb is you're waiting for a 30-minute candle to print. You mark out the high, you mark out the low, and then you wait for the next candle to break above or below. So that's the setup we're gonna take today. So I'll show y'all if the market gives me a good if it gives a good entry or a good setup, it'll be a good example for you guys to see. If it doesn't, then I'll probably stay cash. But right now, market is looking a little wonky right now. So we got 3-bar TSA, 3-bar on IWM, 30-minute and 1 hour. So just watch these levels. Is my stream, like, for those of you guys watching, is it like lagging for y'all or no? The orb means opening range breakout. Opening range breakout. Those morning liquidity sweeps are nasty, not facts. We're looking at Robinhood at 75 for puts. Yes, 75 is your first target. Well, your first target was the gap fill at 76.71. Target 2 for Robinhood is 75, I'm sorry. And then target 3 is 71.87. Just a little yes. I don't know. I think I got too many tabs open. Hold on, let me try closing some stuff out because I got way too much stuff open right now. I got fucking flow is up. Probably just need to restart my computer all in all. And I got this digital whiteboard, so that's probably what's making it lag too. Let me see. I got a fail too for IWM. Yeah, we're flipping 3-bar right now, so I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute orb. Just go ahead and wait for the 30-minute. Shop to where? Shop 115 is the next target, then 110.53. Should I enter Shopify on the retest? Let me actually check flow. Actually, not yet. SPX is pushing up here. We're back through 69.70 right now. I will wait. Wait for confirmation. The initial entry was that 4-hour break, so I don't know if anyone got a chance to actually take it though. I got filled on shop. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, if y'all want to take it now, you can, but if it gives you the retest, that'll give you a better entry for the downside, or you could just wait till this candle prints. It is a 3-bar, so you can wait for this orb. Waiting on IWM, yeah, same. Bro, I have to figure out why this is lagging like this. SPY through 695.40. Watch that level as well. We could see 697 next if SPY gets through there. SPX looks pretty strong here. QQQ kind of lagging behind right now. Are these weekly payouts or you hold? Oh, no. These are day trades. These are day trades. So I'm in and out same day. Like most of the time I'm done by, I mean, yesterday, what time did we finish yesterday, TSA? I think we finished at 10:30. Most days I finish at, about, like the latest I'll be on, it would be 11:30, like 11:45. I don't take any trades after 11:45 unless it's power hour, which is the last hour of the day. What indicators do you have? I'll give you guys my indicators at, let's call it 15,000 likes. So if you guys can tap the screen, it helps the stream a ton. At 15K likes, I'll give you guys my indicators. Yeah, you can just screenshot them and then you can rock out with them. I think they're very useful. Now, as far as marking the charts, I mark those myself. So I mark those myself. But the actual indicators themselves, though, I can give those to you. I don't mind that. Bro, up the likes. Not playing with no TikTok, no facts. Price went up. Nah, for real. We need 15, you know. It's 100 people in here right now. That's not bad, you know. If all 100 of them just tap the screen while they watching, I think we'll get there pretty efficiently. You can get there within the next like 5 minutes, 100%, if they dedicate it. That's if they really want to know the indicators, though. All right, there goes Shopify. Still going lower here. Like I said, when it gave you that huge move yesterday, there was no reason to think it couldn't give you a stronger move today as well. Are you in QQQ? No, I'm not in anything right now. I'm waiting for the first 30 minutes of the day to be up. Who said that last time, man? Waiting for the 30-minute? Oh my God, bro. That, it feels like you are waiting years, man. When the market opens at 9:30 and you're waiting until 10, it feels like, I don't know, man. It has to be, maybe it's just my mind. I have your indicators, but I'm tapping to help. Thank you, Sahara. I appreciate you. Gotcha. Just send 1,000 likes. All right, y'all got 11,000 more to go. Y'all can do it. I believe. A day trade is when you take a trade and you get out the same day. That's what a day trade is. Oh my gosh, Shopify is bleeding. Shopify's getting torched. Robinhood's getting torched. Both setups are paying pretty nicely. QQQ. Watch QQQ back under this 613 level, guys. Watch QQQ back under 613. You got a 212 reversal, rejecting the highs here. I went 110 puts on shop. Good stuff. QQQ also just flipped on the 1 hour into a 3-2, guys. IWM 3 bar here. So let's just see. Be patient. Do you ever hold overnight? Sometimes I do. SPX looking like it wants to drop. Yeah, SPX has a drop back to about 69.41 once again. 69.41. Oof, IWM is bleeding, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. IWM just flipped into a 3 bar on the 4 hour. Morning grind. Got to, bro. What's up, fam? Hope all is well, bro. Hope all is well, brother. Ran back into my guy. How you doing, brother? Man, I'm doing great, bro. How about you? I'm blessed. This is trading view. This is trading view right here. The market is bleeding right now. What the fudge? I swear this is the longest 30 minutes. I'm telling you. It'd be worse when you see the moves like this happening right here, and it's like you still haven't taken it. Robinhood's coming up on the second target, guys. I don't know if anyone took Robinhood in Shopify, but it's coming up on the second target here. All right, so IWM is bleeding here, looking like it wants to fill that gap. So like I said, you could have took 266.10, or you could just take the 30-minute orb here. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute orb. I feel super impatient right now. Like I really want to jump in, but I'm gonna stick to the plan. Best broker. I like to use Webull. The FOMO is real when you see setups like this. This is what discipline kicks in. Facts. Yeah, this is when like you have to be disciplined in this scenario. Especially if you said you were gonna do something in pre-market, you just gotta stick to it. Do you give triggers the night before? No, I give it the morning of. Like we do pre-market calls, so we basically get on a call before I stream for about 45 minutes, and I go through everything with them in private. IWM wants to give us that 12-hour. By all means, please. I jumped in on QQQ for a paper trade. Okay. Fastly's looking really good though. It's a strong move out of the gate. What indicator is that showing the numbers? When you guys get us to 15,000 likes, I'll share all my indicators. You can screenshot them and you can use all of them. You can download them and whatnot. At 15K likes, so just tap the screen. So it looks like SPY already, hold on, no we didn't. QQQ, was it QQQ? Yeah. So, hold on. QQQ already filled this gap. So the only one that hasn't filled the gap fully is SPY and IWM. So just watch those two guys. I'll send a rose for the indicators. I appreciate that, but we need 15K likes. How long would you prefer a person to paper trade before being in the market live? Really paper trading is really good to just like, if you're new to trading completely, you know what I'm saying? Kind of just getting the kinks out and understanding how the platform works. Or she said a rose, that's it. You're funny. Or if you need to like, if you're not following your own rules. They not tapping the screen like they mean it not, for real. Oh my gosh, bro. This move at open is crazy. So SPX is kind of sitting above this 69.50 level. So if SPX can lose 69.50, if we lose 69.50, if QQQ loses 613, we can get that move back lower here to about 6,900 on SPX. So just watch that level. Or about 69.20 will be the next target on SPX. What's your strategy on getting your daily watch list? We trade Catalyst. We trade something called CKSR. So Catalyst, key levels, the Strat, which are the numbers on my candlesticks, and then risk management. Something that I teach in depth. IWM is bleeding. I want it so bad. I know, right? Honestly, I was gonna take this and just not say nothing. I was like, you know what? That would be bad for me as a leader to say, yeah, I'm sticking a 30-minute orb, and then I'll just be posting screenshots like, hey, yo, caught this trade. Y'all be like, bro, you ain't gonna say nothing or nothing. Greedy. you know. So there goes Robinhood, second target hit, guys. Robinhood, second target hit. Shopify is about $2 off of the next target. Should have just took Shopify, honestly. Should have just took Shopify, in all honesty. Just bleeding. Bleeding. Good God. Oh my God. Bro, this is an insane candle right here, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is an insane candle. Am I in IWM? Nah, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, bro. It's like we're at the 12-hour setup now. Like, do we just take the 12-hour and rock out? It's like, do we just take the 12-hour on IWM and just rock out? I mean, we're already down about, what, a dollar? This orb got me itching off for real. Really about to 12, not facts. Shop entry up 50%. Great job, Asha. We have 15K likes. All right, bet. Damn, bro. Hold on. Y'all gotta wait. I gotta see if I'm gonna take this entry. Do I want to take the 12-hour or do I want to wait for the 30-minute? Oh my gosh, this shit is bleeding. No, it's FOMO, bro. I gotta control the FOMO. I'm not gonna do it. Yo, no. All right, that's exactly how I feel right now, for real. Here's my indicators, y'all. There y'all go. Y'all can screenshot them. I'm already in. Eddie, no. Now you definitely gonna make me wanna. Oh my God, why is the market moving like that? Whoever posted that meme yesterday, can't lie, bro. To me, you the best strat trader. No, that's love, man. I appreciate it, bro. I just trying to follow my plan, man. You know, just follow my plan. Whoever made whoever put that meme in there, right, where it was like every time I enter my candle, the next candle is red, bro. That shit had me dying. Every time I enter my trade, bro, it's like before I give you green, I'm gonna give you a headache first. Every time. There's my indicator, y'all. Y'all can screenshot where I go to get the free game. On my bio, you got YouTube videos in there. Yes, the festival meme. I know, right? I don't know how to get started. I got YouTube videos that y'all can watch. TSA is closed though. That's my group. We're not accepting any new members at the moment, but you can hit the follow button and you can tune into these streams and you can learn as I'm on here. And or you can just watch YouTube videos. Shopify almost at 110.53 price target, guys. Like I said, if Shopify gets to 110.53, you can see 106.80 and then $100, 105, and then $100 will be your next target. Robinhood already at $75 as well, so we bobbing. This is a god candle right here on IWM, yo. This is a god candle. Do I need money to start trading? Yes, you do. I'm being patient right now. Cass said what? What price to enter Shopify? Oh, that trade's already done. Our entry was at 118.30. It's already out of there. It didn't already hit. It's already about to hit the first target. We'll hit 2 targets already. That's pretty cooked. You don't even want to chase that one. Longest 30 minutes ever, not for real. I don't even watch IWM when I'm waiting on the orb. Helps my FOMO. Yeah, true. Tez's stream is entertaining today. Just a little bit. Just a little. Patience is indeed a virtue. Something I am actually working on. I'm actually very proud of myself because I ain't gonna lie. I was about to take just 3 entries right out of the game and be like, all right, we in there. But nah. I'm so much better than that. Can I start with $1,000? Of course. you can definitely start with $1,000. You can definitely start with $1,000. You don't need thousands to start, but $1,000 is a good place to start. I could start with $100. Yeah, you can start with $100 too. Man, I definitely keep flipping tabs, trying not to watch IWM 30-minute orb. Yeah, this shit's taking forever. Hey, real quick, if you're in the stream, how many of you are brand new to trading? Like, no, nothing. Like, you absolutely, like, you know nothing. You just hear because it's entertainment at this point, and you like the idea of being able to make money from just watching. Shop stalling out. I'm getting anxious. What's your position up, Jay? What percentage is it up? Brand new. Me, bro. I'm new. Okay. So out of all of y'all who are new, how many of you are like genuinely interested in actually getting into this and like serious about getting into it? 130%. Only bought one con though. Yeah. Tough. Couldn't even get out and leave a runner. I mean, hey, green is green. I will tell you that. I'm a beginner, but I know a little bit. What's been the way that y'all been learning? Like, have y'all been like watching YouTube videos or like reading books? I'm genuinely interested. I'm interested. I know a little bit, but I'm confused on how to start. So the best ways to get started is, one, you want to find someone to learn from. So if that's me, you know, hi, my name is Tez. I've been in the market since 2020. I have a Discord, yes, but it is currently closed. So technically it's kind of hard to learn from me, but you get a lot of free information though, right? You know what I mean? A lot of YouTube stuff, you know? So the best ways to learn is, number one, find someone to learn from, right? Number two, I watched your 6-hour video on YouTube. Oh, that's love, man. Appreciate it. Platforms to start with, ideally, TradingView is for your charts. So all of this that you're seeing right now is TradingView. Second is going to be, what is it called? Webull or Robinhood. Those are going to be the go-to platforms. And then from there, you just got to learn a strategy. So like I trade the Strat, which is the numbers on my candlestick. And then I trade key levels, which are the blue lines, which are just like major levels that price reacts from. So you just got to figure out what strategy works the best for you. Yes, I don't do close anymore. Oh my God, bro. This drop here is insane. My FOMO is out of this world. There goes shop target hit. Shop 110 target hit. 110 target hit. All right, IWM is at this 50% trigger. I'm going to probably take this, or do I wait? Nah, I'm taking the 50% on the, I'm taking the, not 50%, I'm taking the 12-hour. I might take this on IWM and I might take it on QQQ. Damn, no, I'm gonna wait. 30-minute orb. I gotta wait 2 minutes. Oh my God, bro. The FOMO is out of this world right now. The FOMO is out of this world. I can feel my blood boiling. You do futures? Nah, just options. What's your target? These blue lines are my targets. So anytime y'all see these blue lines under where price is, that's my target. If it's overpriced, those are my targets. If I had $200 right now, what would I do? What would I buy? I would buy information. But see, I'm not like, most people would disagree with me. Like I buy information. I cut down the ignorance tax. So like for me, it's important to learn from people who are already doing it and are doing well. So I would buy the information to learn quicker. Other people would rather do it for free. I've already did that and I lost more money than just paying for the information right out the gate. IWM playing with that 12-hour low, I know. So I'm actually being patient, you know. Now if we just fall through this though, it's over. I think QQQ can probably see 607. This is a really strong bearish candlestick too, on both sides. Honestly, I'm taking both. I'm taking IWM and I'm taking QQQ. And we're just gonna let it ride. We just gonna let it ride. There goes the 12-hour right there, y'all, on IWM. We got 1 minute to take this entry. 1 minute. I want to learn. Tune into the streams. Make sure you hit the follow button. If you guys don't know me, my name is Tez. At the top of the screen, you'll see a follow button. You can just click that. You can tune into these streams. I stream probably like 3 to 4 times a week, so you'll be able to tap in. There goes SPX 6941 level. Again, all you got to do is watch key levels. I got 264s at the 50% entry. Let's go, Eddie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. QQQ sitting under this 12-hour as well. We got 30 seconds on this candle. 30 seconds. This is a very strong bearish candle, so I'd actually be pretty confident in taking this setup. I might end up taking SPY too, though. SPY has a 1-3 on the 30, and it's a double 3-bar on the 1 hour. Yeah, I think I might take SPY. I might go SPY too. We'll see. We'll see what happens when the 30-minute prints. I'm kind of like wicking right now, though. Nah, thank you. Thank you for the gifted. Thank you for the gifted. All right, let's see here. All right, so 30-minute orb is now in play. I ain't gonna lie, I really like SPY. I'm gonna take SPY instead. Especially with SPX kind of under 69.50. I'm gonna look for SPY contracts. Or actually, do I want to do SPY or want to do QQQ? Let me look at QQQ real quick. Do we want to do SPY or do we do QQQ? I think we do QQQ. I'm gonna do which ones, bro? Or do we do IWM? All three of them look really good. Low-key hesitating. So QQQ just filled this gap here. IWM might be the better play for a continuation here. But SPY still hasn't made a major move. It doesn't have as much relative strength. That's the only issue with SPY. Yeah, neither of them has triggered either, though. I'm just waiting. Profit $232 for the day. Let's go, Breezo. How much time do you spend on this a day? Usually about 2.5 hours, if that. Market's popping back up here, so just being patient. Is 5K enough to start? Yeah, I probably wouldn't start with 5 though. Probably wouldn't start with 5. Yeah, I haven't entered anything. Let's go, Jay. 221% on shop. All you have to do is trust the process. Good job, bro. Proud of you, man. I feel like I missed every move I would have took. What's meant for you is meant for you. Trust. What's meant for you is meant for you. If it's not meant for you, it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Great job, Jay. Proud of you, bro. That boy jumped on that entry as soon as the market opened. Proud of you, brother. I'm going to set an alert at the lows of the day here on QQQ and on IWM. Just in case it doesn't want to trigger. Or it does want to trigger later, I mean. Just a lower high on IWM, yeah. I'm waiting for confirmation. If we can break back lower, I'll look for the entry. But we'll see where this candle ends up. Are you using AI? At this moment, not really. I use AI for like studying and stuff like that. Kind of had a late entry, but I remember what you said about late entries with relative strength. Great job, man. Way to take the info and execute it immediately. What's a good platform to start off on? You can start off on Webull. I like Webull. A lot of people like Robinhood, but I prefer Webull. When you get more experience, you'll see why Robinhood isn't the best for if you're going to be really day trading, like for real, for real. Now, are there day traders that do it at a high level on there? Sure. I'm not saying there's not. I'm just saying I feel like Webull is better, in my personal opinion. It's just my opinion. Do you have a class online I want to get into learning? So I have something called the CKSR. It's basically like a 5-hour curriculum breaking down the system of how I trade. But it's not in my bio or anything like that. Yeah, it's basically like TSA, which is my group. We go in depth on that whole thing. The strategy you guys get is like entry level into the strat, the key levels, like entries, exits, being confident, taking trades by yourself. I break down actual setups with you as well. I don't know if y'all want that though. Y'all can let me know in the chat if that's something y'all want. What is it you don't like about Robinhood? I don't like the feels. Like, it doesn't feel me as fast as Webull. And also the user interface when it comes to choosing contracts. I don't like the way they're set up. I like to be able to see exactly the open interest, I like to see the open interest, the volume. I like to see everything I need to see right there when I'm choosing my contracts, as opposed to having to click on each contract to check it. And that's just my personal opinion though. Just my personal opinion. Let's see here. Do we break low of day here? I'm hopping in IWM. I'm gonna wait to see if this triggers. So this is a lower high right here. I'm gonna wait to see if we trigger this downside. Be patient right here. I learned how to trade on Robinhood. It's hard to paper trade on Webull to me. What time do you open on trades? Usually, what do you mean open on trades? Like get into trades? Qs need to break the daily VWAP. Yeah, I need to see a better confirmation here. I was gonna take SPY, but SPY doesn't have as much relative strength as IWM and QQQ. So those are gonna be the ones that I look for today. QQQ and IWM, whichever one of these trigger and whichever has the best strength. Cisco is not on screen. It's also a 3-bar on the 30-minute. I'm probably not gonna trade Cisco. Shopify guys break through 110.53. Like I said, you can look for 106.82, maybe even $100 as well. $100 on Shopify. Has a lot of bearish sentiment right now as well. So we'll see. For those of you watching on the stream, I have multiple monitors, so y'all can't see the other ones. Y'all only see the 2 tickers that I'm planning on trading today. So that's why you're hearing me call out levels and stuff, but like they're on different monitors. And mind you, like, so for those of you guys who are newer to my stream, like there might be, so right now there's 200 people here on TikTok, right? But like in my Discord, I'm trading with 119 people. So like I'm responding to some of y'all, but obviously my Discord gets priority, so I'm responding to them primarily as well. Didn't know shop move like that. I didn't know shop move like that either until yesterday. But yeah, like I said, if it goes like if it's a scenario where a stock moves like 200 or 300% plus of its ATR, that next day tends to be either a nice continuation or a bounce. That was why I was on my watch list today. Shop paid again. You caught it? I'm up 208% on shop. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Too easy. It's too easy. Low-key should have just took the entry. It's all good. 200%. And so let's go. Shop being acting different after getting his taxes. Not for real. Hey, brother. How you get started into stocking? How did I get started in the stock market? I got started in 2020. Primarily started with, I tried day trading, lost like 23,000. Then I learned, yeah, it's better to just pay people for information so I don't have to lose that much money and still be lost. Yeah, then I went to long term, and then that's where I found a lot of success long term, and then came back to options and in about 2022, and then just been locked in. Been locked in. So let's see here. We just need a break of low of day. We need a break of low of day. So look, if QQQ can get through, if we can break this low of day here at 610.79 on QQQ, I'm looking for previous day lows. Okay, there it is right there. Hold on, I'm gonna load up my entry here on QQQ. I'm looking for previous day lows on QQQ. Previous day lows is at 607.69, 607.69. So I'm about to get ready to enter this on QQQ here, y'all. All right, there's the trigger right there. And I'm sizing for 0. And I'm in on QQQ, y'all. I am in on QQQ. My stop loss, the invalidation point on this trade is gonna be here. Is this the wrong one? No, this is the wrong one. My invalidation point on this trade, so I enter here. Stop loss up here. computer's freezing. Hold on. I sized for 0 on this as well, y'all. So, and then previous day lows down here. This is my entry right here, y'all. I am in on QQQ. I have 606s. I'm up on Hood. Did anyone else enter? Yeah, Hood's paying. 71.87 is your next target on Hood. I'm going to also look for an entry on IWM if we break low of day as well. So I'll be in on both of these. And then my entry criteria on this one will look like this. It'll be back at previous week highs. Target would be down at 263. This is what my entry criteria will look like if this triggers on IWM. So we'll see. I'm gonna set an alert here. Either works or it doesn't. Size for 0. QQQ stopped out. And then I'm waiting for IWM to trigger. So we'll see. IWM hourly 3, just need a continuation. Yeah, I just need this continuation here. I'll take the break of this continuation if it triggers. So both of these trades are the 2 that I would be in. I will be in. Well, I'm already in this one right here, but this is the second one. And then my stop loss on IWM is going to be at 265.75. That's our previous week highs. So just watching for that. A day trade options. What does size for 0 mean? Basically, you go into the trade with an amount of money you're okay with losing. You're going into the trade with an amount of money you're okay with losing. This actually isn't a bad setup, but we'll see if it works. We'll see if it works. IWM looks like it wants to give us this level, so we'll see. If it triggers, I'll take it. Top time frames are on 5 minute. These both are on 5 minute. These down here on the hour. IWM's low-key hesitating at this 12 hour. I'm gonna load up my contracts though. I'm loading up my contracts here on IWM. And then I'll probably do 263 puts on IWM, y'all. I'll do 263s if it triggers. There's the trigger right there. Or actually, not yet. Not yet, not yet. When it alerts me, I'll take it. But right now, it's kind of chopping in this range. SPX is resisting the 69.50 level. We just need a flush. If SPX can just break this 69.40 level, we should have confirmation of a lower high, and we should see a move. I'm probably, what I'm looking at here too, I'm probably not gonna close this out if it stops out here. I'm just size for 0 and let the trade die. So size correctly. QQQ 5 minute, is this a 3-bar reversal setting up? If it triggers, yeah. But again, you gotta size correctly on this. We'll see. 607 cons for QQQ. I'm basically break even on IWM right now. Okay. I'm looking for puts on IWM. Shorting it. I'm not in it yet though. If it breaks this low right here at 264.61, I'll take the shorts. But right now it hasn't triggered yet, so I'm just in QQQ right now. Did you size for 0 on QQQ puts? Yes, I did. I did indeed. So QQQ getting bought up here. IWM getting bought up here too. Like I said, I'm not in this one. I'm only in QQQ right now. So over here on the left, I'm only in this one. Do you get butterflies in your stomach when waiting on the move? I used to, but like you just need a lot of reps, honestly. Just need a lot of reps. Is it too late to get into QQQ? I will wait for another break of low of day before getting in because I might get stopped out here. But I'm going to probably hold this to see if it want to reject the VWAP and go lower. So we'll see. Right now, this is just a lower high though. So we just need to see, do we reject the VWAP or is this going to break higher? We'll see. We will see. IWM trying to be shifty, I know, right? Let's see what this thing wants to do. SPX back through 69.50 here as well. Just being patient. Being patient, being patient. A Trump tweet would come so in handy right now. Y'all can hear me, right? Stream? I know Discord, y'all can hear me. TSA, y'all know y'all can hear me. But for those of y'all on TikTok and stuff, y'all can hear me, right? I made 2K in my sleep from yesterday, from overnight. Lit, lit, lit. What's BE mean? Break even. Break even. Y'all can hear me? Okay, good, good, good. Just making sure. Should I stay in shop? Your next target is 107. So if you have a runner, I would close out a portion of your trade and then take the runner. Or leave the runner, I'm sorry. It's like we're rejecting the VWAP right here. Do you monitor delta when selecting a strike on IWM? Yeah. What time is the best to enter a trade? I only look to take trades in the beginning of the day, like the first 2 hours of the day. No shift in structure in IWM. Yeah, so right now this is just a lower high on both scenarios right now. So this can still work out in our favor. If IWM breaks the low of the day, I'm definitely taking it though. Especially if this is confirmation that this is a lower high. If this sells back off under 265, that'll be confirmation. SPX is breaking back under 69.50. We just rejected the VWAP twice now. So we just need to wait for confirmation. I already got my contracts loaded in as well. So I'm waiting for this trigger right here. Come on, baby, give it to me. We just need a continuation. So we're back under 265. SPX back under 69.50. SPY looking like it's rejecting the VWAP as well. Just need to see if it holds. Let's see if this holds. This candle prints. 5-minute candle prints in about a minute. So we'll see what happens. Oh, yeah. So you're just basically into the break high on the low in the previous day. No. Not at all. There's other things that I use for my entries. Contracts to which number? IWM, I'm going to do 263 puts if it triggers. All right, there we go. There's the flush, 69.50 lost on SPX. All right, so I'm gonna look for this to trigger on IWM. This is a strong, so you have a 3-bar, 3 back down. If we can trigger this, oh my God, that is so close. Oh my God, that just so close. Let's see if we can get this break here. We're about 4 cents off on this setup too. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, that is insane. Can I learn this within 6 months to a year? You can learn this in way less than that. Way less than that. Oh my God, the market is playing around right now, bro. They are literally playing around right now, bro. That 12 hour is crazy. Stop loss hunting right now, not facts. That's why you got size for 0. Size for 0. I might just leave these contracts to die, honestly. I just feel like it might come back later in the day and it's gonna dump. Yeah, I'm gonna just let the contracts die. I size for 0 on them, so I was gonna use that invalidation point to stop out of the trade, but I'm gonna just hold these all the way till end of day. And there goes IWM right here, y'all. Let's see if it breaks. There it is. Let's see. All right, there it is. All right, so I'm filled on IWM, y'all. I am filled on IWM puts. Target number 1 is down here at 263.89. This is my first target. Second target down at 263. Okay, second target down at 263. There goes the low of daybreak. I am filled on IWM. So let me just put this IWM target 1. Hit, set and forget, baby. Set and forget. IWM target 2 hit. All right, I'm filled on all of them. There's a gap to be filled. This is a high probability. Yeah, we'll see how it plays out. QQQ is also still rejecting, so we're bobbing. Are we in? Yeah, I'm in. I'm in on IWM right now. I am in 263 puts. Target number 1 is 263.89. Target number 2 is 262.98. Size for 0. Size for 0. How's Q's? Q's just need a break of low of day. Need a break of low day. Right now it's just chopping right now, so I think they're definitely hunting for stop losses, but right now the sentiment just looks bearish. Just rejecting the VWAP over and over. Oh my gosh, bro. What the world? Crazy, bro. What is this? Yeah, they're playing around today. I'm sizing for 0. We'll just let the trade die. Where should I start to learn, bro? I got YouTube videos you can learn from, brother. Or below was gonna gap fill on SPX. Knew they were gonna start playing games here. Bro, this shit is crazy right now, bro. They are fucking with the market right now. Yeah, no, the structure is still bearish. It's just they're just playing around. All those people who just enter puts, who have like a 30% stop loss, all of them just got stopped out. This is why you size for 0. Size for 0. How many times have you just let all the contracts run till EOD? Most of the time. When you're sizing for 0, ideally you want to just let the contracts die. It either hits your target or it doesn't. And you just let the contracts expire. Do you do market or limit? I do limit orders unless I'm like trying to get in immediately. Like if the market is just moving, I'll do a market order. What do you mean by size for 0? Size for 0 basically means like you enter the trade with an amount of money you're okay with losing. So like necessarily I don't have a stop loss basically. I just let the trade die if it doesn't hit my target. Didn't someone earlier say IWM makes the move beginning of the day on red photo days? Yes. Not always in the beginning of the day, but based off back testing, it likes to give a move in the beginning of the day. So you set your TP and let it sit all day. Exactly. Either my TP get hit or the trade dies, whichever one. And it if you're sizing for zero and you're going in with proper risk management, it's one of the most carefree ways to trade because it either works or it doesn't. IWM 266 put, my Wi-Fi went out. 263. Yeah, so basically like when I size for zero, I'm letting the trade die. Like it either works or it doesn't work. Now in this scenario right now, the data is just eating at our contracts, right? But the trade and the structure of the trade is still the same. Like it hasn't like, it's not like the move itself, like on both of these are invalidated, right? Like it would be invalidated if QQQ got above 613 and it start closing above here. IWM, if it got back above previous week highs, that would be invalidated. So you can close out early if you wanted to there. But yeah, still a pretty decent setup overall. How do I know when to buy and sell? I just started like an hour ago. Yeah, you're gonna need a little bit more time before you start jumping into this if you just started an hour ago. This might be one of them scenarios where I might have to just go work out and just let the trade do what it's gonna do and just leave, set and forget, for real. Because I feel like this is about to take a little minute. We've been sitting in this range for like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like literally 30 minutes. We've been sitting just in this range, not doing shit. So thank you, no problem. What's Q's target? 610 and then 607.69. Previous day lows is my target on QQQ. I'm gonna just put it right here. Previous day low hit, previous day low, target hit. So I'm gonna set that right there. Is it too late to get in on QQQ? Nah, it's just hovering right now. Like I said, just wait for the low of day to be broken. Wait until it breaks back under 610.50 for your entry on QQQ. Where should I start to learn, bro? I got a lot of YouTube videos and stuff, but if you keep coming back to the streams, I think you'll continuously learn as well. It's holding 611 like a champ. Nah, for real. Still break even on IWM. Yeah, shit's not doing nothing right now. Do you have Hood shares? I do. Robinhood is getting annihilated. Shopify still getting cooked. So let's just see here. I'm gonna set an alert on SPX as well. If it breaks back under 69.40, which is low of day, we'll see a lot more bearish sentiment in the day. This is in case I end up walking away and going to work out and stuff while this trade plays out. SPX, low of day, break. There we go. Yeah, market's just chopping up right now though, so we'll see. Can I do this on an iPad or a computer? Of course, yeah. This is stock options, yes. I played Hood earnings. Yeah, I like to take the trades after their earnings. What kind of percentage do you place for your TP? Like 25% or 50%? I'll take my initial profits at 50%, and then I'll leave runners. So like, say like IWM, when it gets to 50%, I'll sell 2/3 of my contracts. Hands off today, market no bueno. Yeah, I probably should have stayed cash, but we'll see how it plays out. We'll see. Volume's kind of low right now. How far out of money you go on SPX if we take puts under 69.40? It depends on your account size. You can either get a couple contracts or just get one contract. So depending on whatever your risk is, you would kind of base it off that. Any suggestions on paper trading? You can use Webull. Webull's pretty easy to paper trade on, in my opinion. Yeah, this shit's chopping up, man. Chop City, boy. Closed out, market is chopping. Yeah, it's pretty cooked right now. It's pretty cooked right now. Yeah, I know you mentioned going 100 out. Yeah, you can still make money on those because SPX moves so much. Now, if it's chopping like right now, then it's just cooked. Yeah, it really is. I think it's because we had a really strong move yesterday, though. I think that's why the market's kind of like dry right now. Yeah, the IWM still looks really good. Honestly, QQQ doesn't look terrible either. It's just not doing anything. Not doing shit. Yes, patience pays though. Just gonna sit here and be patient. Like I said, a trade either works or doesn't. You go into the trade with an amount of money you're okay with losing. Take a deep breath, walk away, go live life, go touch grass, go breathe some fresh air. The market's gonna do what it wants to do. Yes, Sully. I see you. I see you. Yeah, this shit's just chopping up right now, man. Getting cooked on IWM right now, same. Being cooked on IWM and QQQ. It's both getting smacked. This is Trading View. This is Trading View. This shit is so cooked, bro. Oh my gosh. You have a Discord, bro? I do. I do, but it's closed right now. When you take your position, when you take your QQQ position, do you reference NVIDIA, AVGO, or other mags? Yeah, I do. I'll take a look at them and see what they're doing. But primarily, I'll use SPX as my compass, though. So if I see SPX is constantly rejecting a level, I'll keep that in mind, and I'll use QQQ as well and SPY. Yeah, this is extreme pain right now. It's just not doing anything. Thoughts on IWM? I wouldn't enter anything right now. I'll probably just stay cash. If you're not in the trade right now, I would just stay cash. I would just stay cash. Yeah, I'm gonna take my green from shop and close the laptop. Yep, that's the best thing you can do. That is the best thing you can do. Set and forget. Like I said, what I'm gonna probably end up doing is I'm gonna probably just walk away and let this thing ride. Let's set my alerts. It either triggers and it hits or it doesn't, but we'll see. It's probably filtering my comments. Just got my 7K payout. Congrats. I'm in 263 puts. Yo. How do you avoid theta? You can't. Unless you buy time. You gotta buy a lot of time. Yesterday had a great move to the downside. Now they're playing today. Shake my head. I know. We caught yesterday, but this is like super cooked right now. I think we get a slow grind down, but the pullbacks are what are killing us. Facts. Pullbacks is what's annihilating the contracts. That's really what it is. So IWM just broke low of day here again. Like, we'll probably still be break even by the time we hit this first target. Shit. All right, so there goes the flush right here. There we go. Can we get something? Oh my God, please. 15% right now. Let me see what my cons are at. Let's see here. IWM, I'm up 20% right now. This shit is not moving, bro. I don't get it. There we go. So cons right here. These are IWM right now. I thought we was red on this. I don't look at my percentages as much when I'm taking my trades. I really might just take the damn base hit, call it a day. All right, so there goes SPX breaking under 69.40. Let's see if we can get this flush now. We need to get through 69.40. If SPX can get through 69.40, we can get the flush. But right now, it's pretty cooked. I'm pretty much break even on the day right now. QQQ is just chopping up right now. IWM is up 20%. So both of them are break even. But we'll see. If SPX can, like I said, if we can get the break under 69.40, which is looking like we're getting right now. SPY back under 692. Okay, there it is right there. All right, so we should be able to get some more price action here. Let's see what happens. We're coming up on first target on IWM here. Coming up on the first target. I'm gonna take initial profits at 50% on IWM once we get there though. So right now these cons are up. My whole Weeble is frozen. Yeah, my Weeble is like completely frozen right now. Let me connect to the internet. Okay. Yeah, we're still only up 20% right now on IWM. So we'll just wait. So you usually take profit at 50%. I'll take a portion of my profits at 50%. Like a portion. Like I buy my contracts in thirds. So I'll sell 2 of my 3 contracts and then I'll leave a runner. Was the right play, just needed time? Yeah, I think it's just slow. Market shift structure is going to tell you every time, everything. We were always bearish, just needed to be patient. Facts. Let's motivate the market. The market need to motivate me. That's what I need. I need it to motivate me. I'm showing up for it, going on dates, taking you everywhere you want to go, and you ain't giving me no like love. I need the love to be reciprocated, you know? All right, we're 10 cents off from our first target on IWM, y'all. About 10 cents off here. 10 cents off. All right, target is about to get hit on IWM. QQQ losing 610. SPX back under 69.35. So let's see if we can get this move. Let's see if the move wants to happen. QQQ back break even now. QQQ is back break even. If QQQ loses 610, 608 is insight. We got to trust your account setup. Let's go. 5% on the account. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, so these contracts are currently up 30% on IWM right now. We're up 30% on IWM, and then QQQ sitting at 610. We're currently down on this one about 5% right now. Here's the proof. We're down 5%. I think at one point we were probably down way more than 5% on this, but let's see if we can keep getting the flush. SPX looks super bearish. Oh my God, SPY. Oh my Lord. Oh my God, yo, SPY is dumping. Come on. Let's see if we can get this move. So QQQ is at break even. IWM is up 35% right now. Again, here's the proof for my people who are new to watching me stream. This is, if you're new to watching me, then, you know, I just like to show proof. So y'all see, like, when I enter a trade, I actually enter the trade. So there's IWM. QQQ, like I said, we are back from the dead, and there goes the dump. Let's go. All right, let's see if SPX can get back to 69.20. SPX next target is 69.20. QQQ looking really nice here, up 12% here. IWM up 50% right now, guys. IWM is up 50% right now. Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go. Keep dumping, keep dumping, keep dumping. Come on, come on, come on. No, I'm still in my IWM puts. There goes IWM 60% right now. There it is right there. Come on, baby. TSA, what's up, man? Did we not say we just got to be patient? 60% on IWM right now. So I'm going to take a portion off. I'm going to take a portion of my trade off just because we was chopping up crazy. I'm going to take a portion and I'm going to leave runners. So I just closed out 2/3 of my contracts on IWM TSA. And I'm going to move my stop loss on these to not break even. I'm going to move my stop loss to like maybe like, we bought these cons at 0.39. I'm going to move them to like 0.40. So I'll break even on them if it decides to reverse on me. Cool. QQQ currently up 16% right now. So looking pretty good. Got 220% off on an early entry. Let's go. Patience does indeed pay. So let's see if we can keep getting this drop. 69.30 right now on SPX. SPY, if we lose 690. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, bro. I think QQQ can get back under 608. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we do here. Set and forget, man. Just set and forget. QQQ's up 20% right now, y'all. 20% on QQQ. SPX is still dumping, bro. Still dumping. If we lose 69.20 on SPX, the market could get bloody. It could get bloody very quickly. It can get bloody very, very quickly. Let's go, niche. Close that on 50% on IWM. Let's go. Love to see it. Oh my God, let's go. Come on, QQQ. All right, we up 30% on Qs now. Qs are up 30%. Let's go, baby. Come on. I'm doing it live. I'm doing it live. I am doing it live. Come on, bro. Stop playing with us. IWM up 62% right now, man. Just, you know, this is a TSA type of thing. Y'all are watching me do it live. Y'all are watching me do it live. You're watching me do it live. Come on. Stop playing. QQQ up 35% right now, man. Let's go, bro. Stream. Hype me up, stream. Hype me up. Come on, baby. Up 40% right now on these. Sold all my contracts by mistake. Oh, you're cooked. No, let me not say that. Quit playing with TSA. Like, put some respect. Like, we need respect. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm literally coming in here and doing this shit live. Showing you the entry. Showing you the exit. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I'm selling 2/3 of my QQQ puts here. 2/3 are gone now. Stop loss. I am fully carefree on these trades now. I am fully carefree on these trades. QQQ up 50%. Come on, man. We bought these cons at 0.66. I'll put it at 0.75 on the stop loss. And we out. We out of there, man. Come on. We just vibing now. IWM up 85% here. Come on, bro. Bro, let's keep it a buck though. Let's keep it a buck. How many people are really doing this shit live and like actually showing you the real life proof? Giving you the entry, giving you, come on, bro. Like QQQ up 65%. Let's go. Come on. Like, what do we, come on, QQQ. Let's go. Stop playing with me. What are we talking about? What are we talking about, bro? What are we, look at QQQ. Come on, man. IWM up 100% right now, bro. Up a honey bun. Up a honey bun. What are we talking about? Come on. Live. Come on, bro. IWM. Honey bun. Tez, you nice. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm not going to be greedy here. Runners are up pretty nicely here. Let me see. I'm going to close out for the day. I'll take my runners. My account is up 6% on a day right now. Get me out of there. Get me out of there, man. QQQ. I'm all out of QQQ now. IWM. I am all out of IWM as well. Come on, bro. Come. W. Can we get W's in the chat, please? Can we just get W's? Can we get port up 30%? Can we get some W's? TSA, can y'all drop y'all screenshots? TSA, drop your screenshots real quick, man. Like show the stream what we really on. Show the stream what we really on. Like how we do stuff in TSA. Can we just show them like really what it looks like to be in TSA? Come on. $278 on a day, 77% on the account. Come on, Eddie, talk to me nice. 81% on. Shout out to Eddie. Another 1.5K day. Marie, let's go. What are we talking about? The market is still dumping. W's in the chat. Turn me up. Turn me up. I took trades with you. Definitely nice. Come on. How I get in the Discord? I want to learn. No, we're closed. Nah, I love you. I'm sorry, but we are closed. W's, bro. We are closed though. I apologize. I love you though, but we're not. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, we do stuff like this because I got a curated group of people. You feel me? Let's go, Sully. I see you. Let's go. Shout out to the ladies in TSA who are killing it. Shout out to all of the ladies in the TSA who have been consistent. Come on. Look at the results. Hey, TSA, drop y'all screenshots down below. Drop your screenshots below, man. All the TSA up. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Overly W. Come on, y'all see the wins? It's all love, you know? Lord have mercy, great job. Thank you. Man, I said market structure is still bearish. Shout out to Eddie, keeping us patient. Shout out to Eddie for being the man of the day, keeping us patient. You know what I'm saying? We locked in. Come on, look at the ports. This is a new account, up $200 on the day, up 60%. Who say you can't start with less than $1,000? I'm in TSA and I confirm this is real, like real shit. This is like real accounts, like dead ass. We do this like feels like every day, but God is great all the time. Let's go, Trey. I see you. 116% on the day. Like I said, I'm not one of the. Let's go. I see you. I see you. OSTP. I see you. Ted's the best mentor out here. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. $400 on the day for my first trade. First trade ever in TSA. Let's see what he got. Okay, talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. All right, 100%. You know, we take it. You lagging? Am I? Am I lagging? I am lagging a little bit. Damn, that's crazy. Has 6 cons break even right now, these runners. Come on, man. We talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. 1,400 first 1K paper trade. You funny. You funny. That's lit, man. Paid. TSA. If you green, close your laptop. No, I'm out of here. TSA, I love y'all. That's it for today. Drop y'all screenshots in the Trading Profits channel. The lag stopped now. Yeah, I think it's because I had the other monitor up. I'm gonna jump off the Discord now, y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna go tell people about this CKSR system. So drop y'all screenshots in the Discord. Shout out to Christian. First trade on the day, $70. Or first trade in TSA, $70. Love to see it. All right, TSA, I'm out of here. I love y'all. Beautiful day. Go post your screenshots in there. I'll see y'all in there. Peace. All right, man. So for those of you guys who are watching right now, how y'all feeling? Y'all literally just watching me take these trades live. You watched this sit in the setup. Like this literally just sat in and waited on our plan. Just waited on the plan. Y'all seen our system in real time. How many of you would agree the system looks like it works? You may not understand too much of it, but it looks like the system works. How many of you would agree with that? Comment me down below or yes. All right, comment me or yes down below. If you feel like, you know, took the trade, W, love it. Now, obviously TSA is currently closed, right? Hold on. We're not getting no engagement in the chat. Let me know in the chat right now if it looks like it works, right? And you want to learn more. If I had an opportunity for you to learn from me, what would you say? Is the answer yes or is it a no? What time is it? I missed everything. Tomorrow, no live trades tomorrow. I only do Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay. I want to join ASAP. Okay. So look, let me break this down. TSA is currently closed. We're probably not going to open it up until March. But the entire system that I trade, I have a curriculum that you guys can go through. It's about 6 hours long. It breaks down all of the entries, the exits, how to be confident in your trades themselves, and how to just do this stuff on your own. I don't want you to join a Discord group and then, you know, at the end of the day, you have to rely on somebody to signals to get you paid. I truly believe if you give someone the ability to feed you, you also giving them the right to starve you. And with that being said, I want you to learn this skill. So how many of you really want to learn this skill? Like if anything I said in this entire live pretty much just resonated with you and you felt like, yeah, this was a lot of great information, I'm really ready to learn more, comment me down below real quick. So like I said, we trade something called the CKSR, right? It is a 4-step approval process. So live today, I didn't explain it to y'all while I was doing it because I just did it in real time, right? But this is what TSA trades. It's called CKSR. What does CKSR stand for? It stands for Catalyst, Key Levels, the Strat, and Risk Management, okay? We do all of this stuff in depth inside of TSA. Like I said, we break this down in depth. However, TSA is closed. So this is an opportunity for you to learn this entire system so you can do this on your own. This is also the next step to getting into TSA. So the people who are inside of the system and they learn it is going to be the closest opportunity for you to be able to even get into TSA itself. Okay. So this does go over everything from top to bottom. So if you're like complete beginner, You know, it breaks everything down. How many of you want to see the inside of it? How many of you would like to see the inside of the curriculum? Like I said, it's 5 hours long, or about 6 hours long, and it teaches the entire system step by step. Let me know down below. If we get some me's in the chat, I'll show y'all what it looks like on the inside, so you can actually see what the quality of it looks like, what all it covers, and then you can see whether or not if it's something that you want. Let me know in the chat. Now, if we don't get any me's, then I'll just go ahead and gatekeep it. So you literally just seen me trade live, right? And it's using the same exact system that I'm about to show you. So if you ever felt like, you know, you're trading right now and it feels like you have no clue what you're doing, right? If you're currently trading in it and that's what it feels like, or you don't know where you should get in, or you don't know where you should get out, or you just feel like, you know, like overall you have, you know, too much stuff going on and you don't know what you're doing, okay? Shout out to everybody here on YouTube as well. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you guys through this system. Okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through it. So basically, again, it's CKSR, right? So it stands for Catalyst, Key Levels, Strat, and Risk Management. Okay, now every single part of this system is a step-by-step walkthrough, right? So additionally, or not additionally, but ideally, you want to be able to walk through a system and actually understand why you're entering the trade itself. Okay. So what this looks like is it's 10 chapters long. It is 13 lessons in here, and it's about 5.5 hours. This will break down everything, even if you're a complete beginner, if you're struggling, if you trade a different strategy and you're trying to learn the right strategy to trade, and you want to learn more about, you know, the strat and how we trade. It breaks down our system in depth. Okay. So basically, I'm going to show you guys how this looks. So first things first, soon as you come in, one of the most important things is that you will have one of my reps reach out to you to make sure you have a phenomenal onboarding experience. The most important thing for me is anytime someone buys anything from me, I want to make sure they have an exceptional experience. There's a lot of people out there selling you stuff and the experience is terrible when you get it. One thing I pride myself on is giving you the best experience that you could possibly have when you're purchasing anything from me. So when you come into here, you will get a message from myself and my assistant to check in on you to make sure you get the curriculum, that you're fully set, so you don't ever have to worry like, oh, I don't know how to access it and things like that. Second, you will have an onboarding video, right? So inside of the onboarding video, it will walk you through how to get the most out of this curriculum, how to complete all of it so it's not something you just purchase and don't get through, and how to get the real transformation that you want to see. How many of you are like looking at this type of program and wanting to actually have a transformation for yourself? Comment me down below in the chat, right? So this will show you exactly how to get the most out of the entire program, how to actually go through it, how to actually make sure it makes sense to you, and, you know, pretty much the entire schwazoo, right? Next up, we do go over the complete basics. So how would you expect to build a house on quicksand? It doesn't make sense, right? You want to build a house on the right foundation. So most of you have probably already watched YouTube videos. You've probably already went out there and joined different Discord groups. This is making sure that you have the right foundation. You have the right information right out of the gate. A lot of you might have improper information, which is why your trades don't look as well, right? Now, we also break down a lot of the beginner stuff, right? So the anatomy of a candlestick, this is something that we break down in depth as well. So the strat, how it works, where to get in, when to get out. All of this is recorded in 4K. So you can watch this on your cell phone. You can watch it on your iPad. You can watch it on a computer. If I play this video.
What's going on, TSA? When you roll over the so unload.
So inside of this entire thing, it talks about your entries and it talks about everything. So first off, chapter 3, it talks about what CKSR is. It breaks it down in depth, where you should be getting your setups from, how to get into the trades, how to find your own trades, how to be confident when taking your trades, how much you should start your account with, you know, how much you should be risking per trade, so on and so forth. It'll break all of that down in this 20-minute video here. Next up, we'll show you how to find your own setup step by step, the exact resources that I personally use and how I use them. Next, we'll show you how to draw key levels. So if you're ever getting into a trade and you don't know where to get out, right, that is something very important. Yes, it's easy to get into a trade, but most people don't know where to get out of the trade. So inside of here, we'll show you how to mark key levels, which are the blue lines that are on my chart that you guys seen. And essentially what this will allow you to do is know when you should be getting out of your trades and how to know when to leave runners, which is something we talk about in depth as well. We also teach the strat in depth as well. So you'll learn everything about the strat, which is the numbers on the candlesticks, your you know, entries, your exits, pretty much all that stuff. There's a PDF that comes with it to explain the strat as well. So if you like to read, this will break this down. We also show you how to compound and grow your account. So whether you're starting with $250, $100, $5,000, doesn't matter what size account you're starting with, we show you how to actually grow your account with proper risk management. I'll also give you access to a spreadsheet, right? So this is actually a bonus spreadsheet that I just threw in here, but this is a spreadsheet so you can actually use this to journal and track all of your trades, okay? Next up, I'll actually walk you through all of my indicators, all of the settings, so that way you're not confused as to what you're looking at when you're watching these streams. You know exactly how it's set up, you know how to use them, so it walks you through all of the indicators. And then we have live trade breakdowns. So this is me breaking down actual setups, actual trades. I'm gonna even throw in some live trades that I've taken that are recorded on YouTube. I'm gonna be throwing those in here today as well, so you'll be able to watch those. So this is the CKSR system. Now, on top of that, we have something called Check My Trade AI. It is an AI bot that is trained on all of this curriculum, and it's going to be basically having me in your back pocket at all times. If you want that as an option, obviously you'll have the option on the website when we open it up. Now, again, the link is not actually in my bio, so there's literally no place for you to get it. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to put the link in my bio, and then I'll walk you guys through how to actually access it. But real quick, how many of you feel like that's kind of like what you were looking for? Like, to be able to learn this system, how many of you feel like, you know, that's kind of something that you would be interested in? Let me know down below in the chat. Can you put the link in the bio? Hold on one second. Let me see something real quick. Me. Okay, cool. So, someone just asked me how much is it? How do I get access? Okay, so look, the link is now in my bio, right? For full access to this is lifetime access. There's no recurring fees. There's no additional stuff or anything like that. It's normally $497. Right now, it's only $97. However, this is only until 11 a.m., which is in 4 minutes. So the link is in my bio right now, right? What I'll do is I'll walk you through how to actually access it. Okay, I'll walk you through how to access it. It is $97. It's the same amount as a pair of Air Force Ones. It's the same amount as you going out with your spouse or somebody to go get some food, right? So you're here on the stream right now. Essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on my profile picture at the top right, okay? So you're gonna click on my profile picture. When you click on my profile picture, okay, my profile will pop up and all you have to do is click on my face. When you click on my face, you're gonna go ahead and click the link in my bio. I'm trying to get it. Amaya, you can use this to get access to it. Once you click the link in my bio, okay, you wanna go ahead and click this. It'll take you over to the website. So you wanna go ahead and click open. This is the CKSR system, okay? Now inside of here, like I said, it's $97. This is normally $497. It's $97. And if you wanna add the Check My Trade AI bot, which is basically like your trading AI assistant, most individuals who grab the CKSR system, they grab the AI bot because it's going to accelerate your learning curve. So if you want that option, all you got to do is click it. And then the really cool thing is, let's say you don't have $97. Let's say you don't have $150. You guys can scroll all the way down and you'll see that we actually have Klarna, Afterpay, Zip, pretty much every payment plan option you can think of. So now you can get this access to this for $8 a month. So when someone asks me how much is it, you can use Klarna, you can use one of those, and you get access for $8 a month, okay? So I'm gonna set a timer. Does anyone else need me to walk them through that before I set this timer? The timer is set for 5 minutes. Here it is right here. YouTube, the link is down below in the chat for those of you in YouTube who are interested in it, okay? And the link should work. I just tested it out myself, so you guys should have access to it. Now, if you need me to walk you through that one more time, let me know. The link is not loading for me. What's it saying for you, Amaya? Because I just clicked it and it's working for me. Let me know. Is it working for the rest of y'all? Is it working for the rest of y'all? So the AI bot doesn't trade for you. It is your assistant. So as you're learning the curriculum, it's trained on all of the curriculum. The link is not working. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Let me see something. Let me see if I can fix it. Oh, it's not working. Hold on, let's see. Oh my gosh. Hold on one second. Let's see here. Let me see if I can fix it for y'all. One second. Is it not working for the rest of y'all as well? Let me see. see if this link works right here. Oh my gosh, it's down. Crap. Let me see something. One second, guys. Let me see something. Why is this not working? It's working on this. Hold on one second, guys. All right, one more time. Let me see. See if this link works right here, guys. All right, so I think it just worked for somebody. Let me see. Yep, it's working now, guys. The link in my bio should be working now. I'm gonna copy this whole thing real quick. It's working when I clicked on it. Okay, it's working now, guys. My bad. I'll reset the timer. That's my bad. I should have triple checked it. Let me make sure this is working. For YouTube, let me know if that link right there is working for you guys. I just dropped a new one. This one should work. Let me see here. TikTok, if you guys click the link in my bio and it's working, let me know. Drop a yes down below real quick. Yeah, it's working now. Let me see here. Okay, should be working now. All right, should be working now. Let me know. It's still not loading for me. Amaya, shoot me a DM real quick. I'm gonna DM it to you. It might be a bug. I just heard back from the team. It looks like there's something your account manager will be able to add. Can you reach back out to AM Nick? Let me know if you. All right, let me see here. We need your AM at WAP to enable these flags one time. Okay, yeah, DM me. Yeah, we have a Cash App option on there. Yeah, for the CKSR system, is it working for you guys? Let me know. It's working for me. Not working for me? Oh my gosh, bro. Let me see real quick. Hold on, let me fix this. I'm gonna pause the timer because I don't know what's up with the link. It connected to my Discord. Yeah. You get access to it there. It's working. Why is it working for some people and not working for others? What the fuck? Not working, can't submit a payment. Oh my gosh, bro. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna fix it. Hold on one second. Hold on, let me reach out to my rep at WAP real quick. Where is his name at? Same, it's not working for me. Oh my god, bro. Hold on one second, y'all. Let me see if I can fix it for y'all. Hey, bro, I'm up 200% on SPX. Shout out to Darius for grabbing his. I'm not understanding why it's working for a few of y'all, but not working for the rest of y'all. Hold on. The domain is working, but I want to see any traffic here. Yeah, we still need to test the 1 clicks. Fudge. All right, let me see. I'm gonna put a different link in there, guys. The other one I just sent y'all isn't working. Hold on. Fudge. That is so cooked, bro. So cooked. Here's the new link, guys. That link is in the YouTube chat, and I'm gonna put the new link in my bio. Okay, there's a new link in my bio, y'all, for those of you guys on TikTok, so you should be able to grab it now. TSA way or no way, facts. Shout out to Sam, love you. Geez, IWM and QQ still flushing. I know TSA is probably super paid right now. Let me see. Let's check the trading profits channel. I know they cooking in here. 25% on the account. 17 bucks. 278. Boom. On the small account, $800 on the day on the small account is crazy. Let's go. We banking today. 8% on the account. 16% on the account here. 20% on the account here is crazy. 341 bucks. Oh, that's 341 bucks on that setup. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go, Sam. I didn't even know you traded today. Let's go. Yep, 221% in here on SPX. We are cooking today. Oh my god. Biggest day so far, $600 in a day. Love to see it. Yeah, guys, this is using the entire CKSR system. This is using the entire CKSR system. The link is in my bio now, guys. It's in my bio now. The new one should work. So I'm going to set a new timer. Maybe it's the browsers. What browsers are people using? I have no clue. That's the weird part. All right, so real quick, I'm going to set a timer. I got off work and got to work. Let's go. For those of you guys, how many of you wanted access to the AI bot as well? Did you send my messages? Yeah, I sent it to Nick. We need those turned on in order for one clicks to work. The AM should be able to do it. Real quick, comment me down below if you want access to the AI bot as well. And let me actually find this other link. And then we got this one. There you go. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set a new timer now. If you want access to the AI bot, comment me real quick. Or actually just DM me. Just DM me the word AI bot and I'll be able to send you the private link since the website's not done yet. I don't know what's up with that shit. If you commented me and you want the AI bot, go ahead and DM me AI bot. I can send it to you right now. Amaya, I'm going to send it to you now. And then the timer is set for 5 minutes. Are you opening TSA? Not right now. Not at the moment. Today is my biggest day. Only 1 week with TSA. That's fire. What's the difference? The AI bot gets you access to the bot that's trained on the system that you're learning from. So it's basically like having your own assistant to help you with your trading. You can send it your chart setups. You can walk it through, you know, your current mindset as far as your trades. You can have it assist you with your setups or learning. It's like literally me, but in AI form. It's trained on how I speak, how the system works, how we trade it, entries, exits, all of that. Amaya, I'm sending you the link right now. Hold on 1 second. My apologies. I'm trying to. Amaya, did you want the one with the did you want the CKSR system or you want that and the AI bot? Okay, I got it. I'm in. Okay, perfect. Glad you got it. What is it? The AI bot is trained on the system itself, guys. $400 on a day. Had 4 IW inputs and my patients got scared, made a mistake and sold 2 of my contracts, but kept 2 and made $402. Love it. Cooking, bro. 250% here on IWM. Oh yeah, we're super paid right now. Oh my God. I just got whatever was on your link. Okay. I'm gonna send you the other one for the AI bot, Amaya. I'm gonna send you the other one for the AI bot. Unfortunate the website is not working all the way. Should have waited before trying it out. 800% on my runner. Oh my God. Oh my God. Getting paid, bro. AI bot. There you go. Just DM'd it over to you. Cooking, bro. Oh my Lord. Yes, sir. Got at least 10% today. Been running 1 contract per trade. Can't wait till I start trading 3 cons. Yes, we killing it. Have any major hedge funds or private equity firms sought you out to work on their trade desk? Nah. Nah, I'm actually gonna, this year I think I'm gonna work on getting my CFA. Can you send it to me, please? Which one do you need, Charlie? I'm gonna look to become a chartered financial analyst this year. I gotta get the studying stuff for it, the books and everything. 400% on IWM is nuts, bro. What all do you guys trade? We trade Catalyst mostly. These cash accounts, yeah. We don't have any prop firms or anything. Charlie, DM me the word AI bot. DM it to me real quick so I can send you the direct link for it. But yeah. So we trade primarily Catalyst, and a couple other things as well. Y'all are just seeing the Discord live right here though. You can see how lit it is. They be getting money. They need to send me a Subway sandwich. For real. That's a good move, sir. Thank you. Charlie, you gotta DM it to me. Like, direct message me on TikTok. Bro, the market is dumping. Oh my gosh, bro. This shit is crazy. I should have left another runner. Oh my God, bro. My goodness. Oh my God, we're at 261? No way. Oh my God. Hold on. This is the type of day you just gotta walk away. I ain't even gonna lie. You just gotta walk away. Should have left way more runners in that. Oh my God, I'm so sick. All right, I see the AI bot comments now. Targets hit, done for the day. 20% on the account is freaking insane. All right, let me send these over to y'all. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh, the market is bleeding. Oh no. Oh my gosh, bruh. Fuck, man. I should have just left the runners there, bro. Should have just let it stop me out. Oh my God. Look at the market, bro. Like, I should have waited for 6,900, honestly. God. Oh my gosh. Crazy, bro. Crazy, man. Crazy work. All right, does anyone else need the link before I hop off? Anyone else need the link before I hop off? Oh my God, this shit is cooking right now, bro. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. the target price on QQQ? I mean, every price target we had is done. Our entry was at 610. We closed out at previous day lows at 607, and it dropped another $3. Like, what the fudge, bro? Oh my god. Oh, I gotta close out, bro. I gotta close out. Okay, you got both of them? Yeah. Wait. You saying did I get both of the trades, or you saying did you got both of the AI bot in the CKSR system? Bro, no way, bro. Fudge, bro. Oh my gosh. That is sick, bro. Yeah, I gotta close out. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hop off right now. This is cooked. I'm getting so much FOMO. I got both my bad. Okay, all good. Not trying to chase. Yeah. No, I'm hopping off right now. The market bleeding right now is giving me so much FOMO right now. I feel like I just want to take another entry, but I need to just go ahead and take it. I need to get off. I need to get off. Oh my god, $1,000 on the day right here. Oh my god. All right, let me get off. Oh my god, it's still going, bro. QQQ to 600. Oh my